This was the factory insert for the floor. What we're doing now is cleaning it off to then do the insulation, and then we're gonna put this in.
Zach is drying off with this towel. And then we are headed over to Georgia's house for all of her lovely help and expertise. And we've got the parts for the flooring.
Well, there you go. All right, so we got.
So we're making our first cuts here soon. Haven't ever done this. This will be fun.
And 7/8.
I think this one's G something.
G4.
That's F5.
What?
Driver.
Doing the first part of the framing. We're about to screw them in together. What you doing, Sal?
I mean, I don't know a lot about softball, but you know.
And that's the last one!
So now we are going to be cutting different foam for each one, and we're giving each slot a name. So what was my name going to be if I was going to be a boy?
Frankly?
He's basically playing himself.
Funny.
It was gonna be Zachariah.
I would have been Zachariah. Okay. What about if I was a girl?
We are going
Let's do it.
to cut off this piece here so it's nice and flush.
I've never used a jigsaw in my life.
Is it on a straight line?
Just roll with it.
Roll with it.
They see me
There you
rolling.
go, push that.
They hate it.
Safety first, guys.
Here we go. Georgia, watch your hand!
Zach, watch your blade.
You're not using the guide.
Shit. That is not how you use the jigsaw.
Yeah!
How do your hands feel?
Oh, dude, my arms are like just jiggling over here like jello.
Yeah!
All right, let's rock it.
That's a good cut right there, buddy.
We are going to cut this bad boy in half, mostly because it is so hard for Zach and I to move it in and out of the van. There's Zach cutting our floor in half.
Yay, we can utilize all of it.
Hell yeah! We are now progressing, measuring out the pieces. Georgia and Fallon are running the assembly line in there, as you can see. So we are labeling foam board, labeling the pieces that go in the van. Very, very thankful for friends. Justin and Georgia helped so much. About to pack it up though, show you what we get tomorrow, show you the progress. It's been a hell of a day. It's gonna be your home, Augie. Go get her, go get Mom. This was the initial flooring that came in the Promaster.
The metal pieces were falling out, so what we decided to do was just cut it off. What we want to do is get it flush with this piece of framing here.
Alrighty, so we are about to be doing the foam insulation. We laid down our framing. What we're going with is 1 inch, what is this called again?
XPS board.
XPS board. You can find it at Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever. We'll link it in the description, but basically what we're gonna do, use this bad boy to glue it down. And then in the spots that aren't exactly flush, we're going to use this great stuff. Gaps and cracks. We're gonna use steel stick for the areas we have holes, like this bad boy. It sets within about 5 to 10 minutes. It should be in previous videos, but we labeled prior to cutting all of our foam insulation bits. We labeled our squares. By labeling, it's really easy just to pick up your stack. Here we go. Another really tight fit here. And remember not to do what I did here. As you can see, I put the glue on the wrong side of this one, so I had to cut. Made it a little more difficult, but we know that this is the south side, north side, and Frankie. We put this on the bottom, get the more inclined spots. And I'm really just hitting the corners pretty good. So, and put this down. And so for this one, it's not exactly perfect, so we are gonna have to gaps and cracks there. Here we are, putting the foam board Loctite in the corners on the dimples, and we labeled our things. You see Zachariah, Frankie over there. Shout out Georgia and Justin. Put that in. Keep rolling. Alrighty, so here is all of the insulation. We're gonna fill in little gaps like this, and it'll be done. But I mean, it's pretty damn tight. Look at that fit. We did a good job. Good job, Fally. You did a good job.
I think it's actually for 1 minute. Okay. Ooh. World's most toxic whipped cream. It's time for some pilot holes. Let's go ahead and screw these bad boys in. Ow, ow, ow. Don't touch things that come out of drills. I always expect them not to be hot, and then they're hot. Be wary. I just broke the bit. Maybe they are bits. I don't know what they are. Drill bit set. Yes, they're bits. Because that went so wonderfully, I am just gonna go ahead and move the stuff that's on the floor here to the back, and I'm gonna do a little bit more, I guess.